Many men are concerned with the size of their penis. So the question is, what is the average length of the male penis? The answer is, it depends on how you measure it. The proper way to measure the male penis is from the tip back to the pubic bone, which means the pubic fat pad at the base of the penis has to be compressed all the way back to the bone. This will give an accurate measurement for obese men and for thin men alike. So what does the data show? The first set of data concerns the stretched penile length of the flaccid penis. This measurement is supposed to approximate the size of the erect penis. The average here is about 5 3/4 inches. But the problem with the stretched penile length measurement is it depends on how hard you stretch or pull the penis. Therefore, stretched penile length measurements are notoriously inaccurate. So the best measurement is the erect penile length. This is considered to be the gold standard. The average here is about 6 1/4 inches. But this number should be taken with a grain of salt for 2 reasons. The first reason is that erect penile length measurements usually require the patient to measure his own penis because most patients cannot achieve a good erection in front of their doctor. And the problem with self-measurement data is that it's subject to exaggeration. And the second reason you should take erect penile length measurements with a grain of salt is because men with larger penises tend to be the ones who volunteer for these penile length measurement studies. Patients with shorter penises shy away from these studies due to embarrassment. So due to self-selection, the true average penile length is probably considerably shorter than what's reported in the literature. And here's some additional facts that I hope you'll find interesting. There's no good correlation between hand and foot size and penile length, nor is there a good correlation between race, ethnicity, nationality, and penile size either. The strongest correlation is between height and penile length. Taller men do tend to have longer penises. Now, short penis anxiety is the condition used to describe men who are distressed over the length of their penis. And the irony is that most men with short penis anxiety have normal-sized penises. These men will benefit from psychological counseling and anti-anxiety medication. Now, most doctors agree that a man has a short penis if the erect penile length is less than 4 inches. This number represents 2 standard deviations below the mean penile length. There are a variety of medical conditions that can produce short penis or micro penis. Many of these medical problems are congenital, and many are associated with hormonal abnormalities. So what is the female perspective on penile length? Across the board, the studies show that women are less concerned with penile length than are men. Overall, about 10% of women are unhappy with the size of their partner's penis. You have to remember that every time a woman has intercourse, she suffers some degree of trauma with some ripping of the inner lining of the vagina. So a larger penis for many women can actually be quite uncomfortable. So the take-home message is that penile size in most cases is not going to make or break the relationship. That concludes the video. I thank you so much for watching.